So, first word, Budgie Smugglers. Budgie Smugglers.
Are they
Hey!
Speedos?
Yeah, Speedos, exactly. Couple of Budgie Smugglers. So I sadly have friends who wear Budgie Smugglers. Like at first I was like, okay, you're wearing it for a laugh, but they continued to wear them summers on summers on summers, and I'm actually not sure if they're my friends anymore.
I'd defriend them.